and welcome back to Purple Tube. On my channel, I like to spread good vibes because in a world full of drama, nobody needs the negativity. I just wanted to make a quick update video on my channel. I put a post in my community tab. It is a survey to see what my viewers want to see next on my channel. So if you have not checked that out already, go check out my community tab. If you don't know how to find the community tab, you go to someone's channel where it says videos, you scroll all the way over to where it says community, and that is the community tab. You should check out everybody's community tabs that have one anyway. Sometimes they post videos of other supporters, or sometimes they just post random surveys to see what people want to see about feedback on your channel. I had to go to the dentist today for a cleaning, and I stopped at KFC and I stopped at the Dollar Tree. Now I am on my way back home. I took a couple videos of the road on my way home. This is a main road and the cars are backed up because it is rush hour. If you have any questions about anything channel related or anything, just leave them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer them. Hi Kong. Hi Trixie. Hi cutie pies. Hi Ruby. What's up Ruby? I love you, beautiful. Hi Bear. Oh, no jumping, Bear. I'm happy to see you too, buddy. Hi Karma. Who's a pretty girl? Are you eating grass? What's the matter, Bear? Hi, Mac. What's up with Mac? Are you a good boy? Hi, Ginge. Who's a pretty girl? Hi, Piper. Are you a good girl? Love you, old lady. Piper is 12 years old. She's a Black Lab Great Dane mix. She's a good girl. Thank you so much for tuning into Purple Tube, and have a nice day.